Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Dreamhaven Sleeping Story, a peaceful corner of the universe where your mind can rest, your body can unwind, and your heart can finally breathe again. Tonight, I invite you to gently close your eyes, let go of the weight of the day, and allow your thoughts to drift like soft clouds across a quiet night sky. In the next few moments, you will be guided into deep relaxation, a journey designed to help you fall asleep within just 20 minutes. This sleep story is divided into 5 chapters, each crafted to slowly loosen your tension, calm your busy mind, and lead you into a warm, soothing state of complete peace. Take a slow, deep breath, and feel yourself sinking into comfort. Let the world fade away, as we begin our gentle journey into rest, healing, and deep, blissful sleep. Chapter 1, The Softening of the Day. The day had finally come to rest. Beyond your window, the sky held the last traces of faded gold, soft, gentle, unhurried, lingering like a final whisper before night fully arrived. The light stretched thin across the horizon, dissolving slowly into muted shades of rose and grey. You pause for a moment, simply watching the world exhale. Even the air seems calmer now, as though it, too, has waited patiently for this hour, this quiet softening at the edge of the day. You sit or lie comfortably, letting your body settle into a position that feels safe, supported, and effortless. The familiar surface beneath you meets your weight with a quiet reassurance, telling you without words that it is okay to stop now. You breathe in once, slowly, letting cool air flow through your nose and fill your lungs. As you exhale, even more slowly, your shoulders fall, your chest softens, and the weight of the day begins to slide away, not all at once, but gently, like petals drifting off a flower in the evening breeze. Around you, a calm stillness spreads, like the hush that comes after a long rainfall. The room feels warm and steady, as if it's holding its breath right alongside you. The walls, the air, the quiet, everything seems to lean into a peaceful pause. Nothing needs to be done now. No one needs anything from you. All the tasks, all the noise, all the expectations that filled the hours before have finally loosened their grip. This moment belongs entirely to you, a rare, sacred pocket of time where the world steps back and you step inward. Your breathing becomes a soft rhythm again, rising like a tide and falling like a tide. Each inhale glides upward like a wave cresting, gathering gentle energy. Each exhale drifts downward like foam dissolving onto the sand, leaving behind only smoothness and calm. This rhythm has always been with you, quiet but loyal, guiding you through every hour, every emotion, every challenge. It is your most ancient companion, the steady pulse of your existence. And now, it becomes your bridge into rest. Somewhere inside your mind, a door begins to open, a door to peace, to release, to the soft beginnings of sleep. At first, it's only a faint shift, like a breeze brushing through a half-open window. But slowly, gently, the door widens, revealing a path to stillness that you may not visit often enough. A path lined with quiet, comfort, and the kind of serenity that comes only when the world outside has finally grown tired too. Tonight, you will walk that path. And tonight, that path will welcome you home. Imagine now a soft glow around you, warm as candlelight and tender as moonlight. It gathers at your feet first, a slow, golden warmth curling upward like a gentle mist. As it rises, it wraps around your body like a blanket woven from comfort itself, light, calming, and endlessly soothing. With each breath, the glow grows softer but deeper, reaching into every tired muscle, every lingering tension. Your jaw loosens, no longer holding the unspoken strain of the day. Your hands unclench, fingers unfurling like petals opening at dawn. Your neck relaxes, as if gravity itself has become kinder, more considerate, more attuned to your need for rest. The glow travels along your spine, smoothing out the tightness tucked into its corners. It gathers in your lower back, dissolving the heaviness you've carried. It spreads through your legs, down to your ankles, and into your toes, leaving them warm and weightless. Every part of you becomes softer, quieter, more deeply connected to the comfort beneath you. If thoughts come, and they might, let them drift like leaves on a quiet river. You don't need to hold them or fight them. You don't need to analyze or judge them. Simply watch them float by. They are not instructions. They are not tasks. They are not demands. They are only passing shapes in the water, reflections that fade as the river carries them away. They cannot follow you where you are going, into rest, into calm, into the depth of sleep. You feel the shift now, slow, subtle, like a tide pulling gently at your ankles. This is the transition from wakefulness to softness, from doing to being, from the outer world to the inner one. Your mind grows quieter, thoughts thinning into mist. Your breath grows slower, smoothing into an easy, natural rhythm. Your body feels heavier in the most comforting way, as though you are sinking into a cloud that rises to support you more fully with every passing moment. The world outside fades to a gentle hum. The distant noises soften, as if being swallowed by the night. The edges of your awareness blur, not dimming but mellowing, like watercolor spreading softly across paper. Your senses soften, adjusting to the quiet. Your heartbeat steadies into a calm, familiar rhythm that guides you further inward. Around you, the air feels different now, denser, softer, more like a cocoon than a room. The glow that surrounds your pulses gently, expanding and contracting with your breath, synchronizing with your inner rhythm. Every inhale draws in calm, every exhale releases tension. It becomes a cycle of comfort, a loop of softening, a nightly ritual your body remembers even if your mind sometimes forgets. You allow yourself to sink deeper. Deeper into the mattress. Deeper into the warmth. Deeper into the quiet. There is nothing you need to hold on to. Nothing you need to prepare for. Nothing you need to resist. Tonight, the world can wait. Tonight, you surrender to stillness, to softness, to the peace that has waited patiently for you to slow down enough to feel it. You let your eyelids grow heavy, not forcing them, not rushing them, just allowing them to fall naturally as fatigue wraps you like a gentle tide. The darkness behind them is comforting, velvety, familiar. In this darkness, you are safe. In this darkness, you can rest. Your breath continues its calm rhythm. Your body continues its slow descent. Your mind floats, light as a feather, drifting toward dreams. Tonight, you rest. Tonight, you soften. Tonight, your journey to deep sleep begins, with calmness as your guide and peace as your destination. And as you drift, you feel the last whisper of the day dissolve completely, leaving only quiet, only comfort, only the gentle embrace of night. Chapter 2: The Path into the Forest of Stillness. Now imagine a gentle breeze brushing across your skin, cool enough to refresh you, soft enough to feel like a familiar touch from something that has always known you. As you breathe out, the soft glow surrounding your body begins to move, stretching slowly into a shimmering shape. That shape becomes an open doorway, bright at the edges but calm at its center, as if inviting you toward a world that has been patiently waiting. When you step through it, your feet meet a smooth forest path, warm and quiet under your soles. It is twilight here, and the sky above glows with deep purples and delicate blues, the tender colors of early dreams. The forest around you is serene, alive with the slow breathing of the earth. Tall trees stand like ancient guardians, their trunks steady and patient. Their leaves shimmer with a faint silver light, catching the twilight glow as though holding small pieces of stars. Each leaf sways gently as if greeting you, acknowledging your arrival with a calm older than memory. Though this forest may exist only within you, it feels more real than anything beyond it, as if it has always been a part of you, quietly waiting for your return. As you take your first step forward, something miraculous happens. The ground beneath your feet glows softly with each step, leaving a trail of warm golden footprints behind you. They do not burn or shine too brightly, instead, they shimmer with gentle warmth, lighting your path as if the earth itself wants to guide you. This place knows you. It recognizes your tiredness, your heaviness, your unspoken thoughts. And instead of asking anything from you, it welcomes you with compassion. The air carries the scent of pine, warmth, and distant rain, an aroma that is both grounding and uplifting. With every inhale, the air dissolves tension in your shoulders, loosening knots you didn't know you carried. It softens your chest, relaxes your back, and gently unwinds the places in your body that have been holding on too tightly. With every exhale, your body grows lighter, as though the forest quietly takes the weight from your breath and returns only calmness. Birds sleep silently on branches above, their small shapes nestled into the safe hollows of the trees. They do not stir at your presence. Instead, their stillness makes the forest feel even more peaceful. Somewhere in the distance, you hear a stream murmuring softly, its voice like someone whispering soothing words you don't need to understand. You follow the sound, letting it guide you deeper along the glowing path, each step slow and unhurried. The deeper you go, the thicker the forest becomes, yet it never feels overwhelming. Instead, it surrounds you like a soft cocoon, as though nature itself has wrapped its arms around you. The quiet here isn't empty, it is full of peace, full of patient silence, full of room for your mind to settle. Here, there is no rush waiting behind you, no noise pressing at your thoughts, no stress demanding attention. Only the rhythmic beat of your steps and the gentle melody of your breath keep you company. As you walk further, the trees gently part to reveal a small clearing. You step into it, and your breath catches, not from surprise, but from a deep sense of calm. Fireflies rise from the grass like floating stars, drifting lazily through the air. They glow with soft golden light, moving in slow spirals that illuminate the clearing in warm waves. One drifts toward you, settling briefly on your hand before lifting off again, leaving behind a faint sparkle. You smile, not outwardly, but deep within the quiet spaces of your spirit. Here in this forest, nothing is required of you. Nothing is expected. You are allowed simply to exist, and that is enough. The forest does not measure your worth by your thoughts, your actions, or your past. It simply welcomes you for being here, breathing, present. It offers you a place where your mind can loosen, where your heart can soften, where your spirit can rest. You sit on a soft patch of moss at the center of the clearing. Its texture is comforting, almost velvety, like a natural cushion crafted just for you. When you settle onto it, the earth seems to hold you gently, firmly, lovingly. The ground doesn't pull at you, it supports you, reminding you that you are safe here, allowed to rest without fear or doubt. The fireflies drift higher into the branches, their warm glow lighting the leaves above like tiny lanterns. The stream continues to murmur nearby, its voice steady and soothing. The breeze sighs softly through the trees, wrapping around you like a delicate blanket. Everything in the world around you feels like a lullaby, one the forest hums quietly, just for you, expecting nothing in return. Your eyelids grow heavier as you breathe in the forest's calm. Your heart grows steadier, falling into a slow, peaceful rhythm that matches the natural pulse of the world around you. You can feel the space inside your chest opening, softening, expanding. The tension you once carried feels far away now, like a distant memory that no longer has weight. You rest in the clearing, not to sleep yet, but to prepare yourself for rest. You release the thoughts that cling to you, letting them drift like fallen leaves into the quiet soil. You feel your mind lighten, your body loosen, your spirit settle. Here, in the sanctuary of stillness, you allow yourself to soften completely. Your journey toward deep sleep continues, and the forest walks with you. Chapter 3: The Whispering Stream. You rise slowly from the cushion of moss beneath you, feeling the soft give of the forest floor as though it is reluctant to let you go. The warmth from the golden light still lingers on your soles, pulsing gently with each step as you continue forward. The forest seems to lean in closer now, not in a suffocating way, but in a protective, almost affectionate manner. Every leaf, every fern, every patch of moss appears to glow just a little brighter as you walk by, as though acknowledging your presence. The murmuring sound of the stream ahead grows clearer with each step, an airy, melodic whisper weaving between the trees. The path narrows, but instead of feeling confined, you feel guided, as if the forest is carefully shaping the way for you. The ground becomes unbelievably soft beneath your feet, so soft you wonder if you're walking on layers of velvet rather than earth. It feels intentional, as though the forest itself is cushioning each footfall, encouraging you forward with gentle certainty. When you finally reach the stream, you pause in quiet awe. It is smaller than you imagined, delicate, almost shy, flowing like a narrow ribbon of liquid moonlight. The water glows with a pale, ethereal blue, illuminating the stones beneath its surface. Each ripple catches the light and scatters it in soft patterns that dance along the banks. But the most extraordinary feature is the sound. The stream doesn't simply gurgle or rush. It whispers. A sound that rests somewhere between breath and melody, like a secret being shared but never spoken aloud. Every ripple seems to lean toward you, inviting you to listen. You lower yourself to your knees, the moss here thick and springy, cupping you as if it was designed for this moment alone. Slowly, you reach out and dip your fingertips into the cool, glowing water. The effect is instantaneous. A soft wave of calm surges through your hand, moving as smoothly as the stream itself. It travels along your wrist, through your forearm, and up your shoulder with a comforting warmth. Every muscle it touches loosens, unwinding tension you didn't even realize you were holding. When the sensation reaches your neck, it feels as though a weight has been lifted, one you had carried for far too long. Your face relaxes, your jaw unclenches, and your breath escapes in a slow, effortless sigh. It feels as though the stream knows you. As though it recognizes every knot of stress, every hidden ache, every quiet burden tucked inside your body, and is gently, patiently washing each one away. You close your eyes, allowing the sensation to deepen. At first, you hear only the soft murmuring of the water. But soon, the whispers become something more, not words, not language, but emotion. A feeling that forms in your chest like a beam of moonlight settling into your heart. A message. You have carried enough. Let it flow away. The words aren't heard. They are felt. Clear. Undeniable. You take a slow breath, picturing everything heavy you've been holding. The worries, the stress, the unfinished thoughts that linger like restless shadows. You imagine them gathering into your palms like a mist, gray, shapeless, trembling with the remnants of your exhaustion. As you exhale, you lower your hands into the glowing stream. The transformation is immediate. The mist dissolves the moment it touches the water, scattering into the current and drifting downstream like tiny wisps of fog caught in moonlight. They vanish almost instantly, leaving behind nothing but clarity. You feel lighter, freer, as though a door inside you has quietly opened. The stream continues its whispered rhythm, its voice soothing, rhythmic, and impossibly tender. The water glides around smooth stones with effortless grace. You watch the simple movement for a moment, mesmerized by how quietly it teaches you, nothing in nature forces its way. The stream doesn't push or struggle. It simply moves. When it encounters a stone, it curves around it with patience, finding a new path without hesitation, without frustration. You mirror its rhythm, drawing in a slow breath. In with the cool calm. You release it gently. Out with the warm release. The forest seems to move with you. The trees bend subtly toward the water, their leaves rustling in perfect harmony with the stream's whispers. Fireflies drift in from the shadows, hovering low over the banks like tiny lanterns guiding the flow. They blink softly, their reflections dancing across the surface of the glowing water in delicate patterns that seem almost choreographed. You watch them for a long moment, letting your thoughts grow quieter, softer. The edges of the world blur slightly, not from tiredness, but from peace. You can't remember the last time your mind felt so still, so unburdened. There is no noise here. No demands tugging at your attention. No echoes of tomorrow's worries. Just this moment, calm, tender, serene. You reach out again, letting your fingers drift through the glowing stream. This time the water feels warmer, or perhaps your heart has grown softer. The ripples curl around your hand as though greeting an old friend. And in the gentle movement, a new whisper forms, lifting into the air like a soft breeze brushing your cheek. You are safe here. You inhale. And for the first time in a long while, you truly believe it. The safety wraps around you like a blanket woven from moonlight and quiet water. Your chest eases, expanding without resistance. Your shoulders drop naturally. Your breath flows deep and slow, as though the forest is breathing with you. You remain beside the stream for a while longer, watching the fireflies drift lazily, listening to the symphony of water and leaves. Time doesn't feel linear here. It stretches and softens, becoming something fluid and forgiving. Eventually, when your body feels fully settled, fully peaceful, you rise to your feet. The moss lifts you gently, supporting your weight like a friend offering a hand. The stream's glow follows the movement, shimmering just a little brighter, as if wishing you a quiet good night. You smile softly, one of those effortless smiles that comes from genuine calm, and turn back toward the forest path. The golden glow in your footsteps returns as you walk, lighting the way forward. The forest welcomes you deeper in, guiding you onward. Chapter 4: The Moonlit Lake of Reflection. Beyond the gentle stream, the forest begins to open wider, almost as if the trees themselves understand that you are ready for the next part of the journey. The dense canopy slowly thins, the branches drawing back to reveal a breathtaking sight waiting quietly beyond them. You take a few more steps, and then you see it, an expansive, luminous lake stretching out before you like a perfect mirror laid at the feet of the night. The lake is impossibly still. Not a ripple moves across its surface. It is so perfectly calm that it reflects the sky above with absolute clarity, as though the boundary between earth and heavens has dissolved. Stars shimmer on the water as if floating just beneath its surface, close enough to touch. Wisps of cloud drift across the sky, mirrored exactly below, creating the illusion that two night skies are layered atop one another. It feels as though you've stepped into a place where the world breathes in slow motion. Above it all hangs the moon, enormous, gentle, and radiant. Its silver glow softens every edge of the landscape, turning the lake into a glowing pathway of light. The moon's reflection stretches across the water like an outstretched hand inviting you forward. The entire scene feels alive with a serene, quiet magic, as though this hidden place has been waiting for you, knowing you would arrive exactly when you were ready. You walk toward the shore, where soft sand blends into cool, velvety grass. Though the day has long slipped away, the sand still holds the memory of sunlight. When your bare feet sink into it, a warm, soothing sensation travels upward through your legs. It is the kind of warmth that comforts, the kind that reminds you of safety, of rest, of quiet places where nothing is expected of you. With every step, your muscles loosen just a little more. Standing at the edge, you notice how completely silent the lake is. Not even the faint lapping of water reaches your ears. It is a silence so deep that it feels like a gentle presence, soft, steady, unbroken. This silence does not feel empty. It feels welcoming, as if it knows how much noise your mind has carried today, and it offers a place to finally set it all down. You lower yourself to your knees and lean over the water. Your reflection gazes back, but not the way you're used to seeing it. The moonlight smooths your features, softens your expression, and illuminates you with a faint, peaceful glow. You look rested, even though you may not have felt that way moments before. You look calm, even if earlier you felt scattered. Here, in this quiet place, your reflection shows you something truer, who you are beneath all the busyness, beneath the expectations, beneath the worries that cling to daylight hours. This lake, you realize, is not showing you who you were throughout the day. It is showing you who you are when nothing else pulls at you. Your truest self. Your most peaceful self. The self you often forget to look for. You sit fully now, letting the warm sand cradle your weight. The ground feels almost like a soft bed prepared just for you. As you breathe in, the cool night air brushes your skin like a gentle blanket, and as you breathe out, your reflection shimmers slightly, as if breathing with you. Then something shifts, not in sound, but in feeling. The lake begins to whisper, not through words, but through images that glide across its surface like faint impressions of light. The first images are from your day, a moment of tension, a moment of laughter, the small tasks you completed, the things you didn't get to, the thoughts that lingered longer than they should have. They appear briefly, then dissolve into ripples of silver light. More images come, some from days long past, some from moments you barely remember, some from memories you've tucked away in the corners of your mind. Worries you've carried, fears you kept quiet, small heavinesses that built up over time. But here, under the moon's watch, every memory softens. Nothing feels sharp, nothing overwhelms. The lake accepts each memory without judgment, without urgency, cradling it gently in moonlight before dissolving it back into stillness. You begin to understand. Here, you don't need to fix anything. Not a single thought. Not a single feeling. You don't need to revisit conversations or plan for tomorrow. You don't need to organize your mind or solve anything at all. This moment asks nothing of you. All you need to do is breathe. You stretch out your hand and lower it toward the water. When your fingertips touch the surface, it is cool, not cold, not startling, just cool enough to ground you, to remind you that you are here, present, safe. Gentle ripples expand from your touch, moving outward in widening rings. The reflection bends and wavers for a moment, the moonlight shimmering as the ripples spread. It is a quiet reminder. Things change, and that is okay. Even the stillest water welcomes a ripple. Even your most tangled thoughts can soften. Your reflection reforms, calm as ever. You lift your hand from the water and lie back on the sand, feeling the earth support the full weight of your body. The night sky above you glows faintly, and the breeze moves lightly over your skin. Every breath feels deeper now, slower, more natural, like your body has finally found its rhythm again. The heaviness in your limbs is not fatigue, but comfort. A gentle sinking, a settling. It feels as though the earth is holding you in place, letting you rest without worry. Above you, the moon watches like a quiet guardian. Around you, the forest has grown still, as if protecting your peace. The lake, unwavering and luminous, keeps reflecting the sky with perfect clarity. And sleep, soft, warm, familiar, feels closer now. As if it is walking toward you with slow, steady footsteps, arriving exactly when the world becomes gentle enough to hold it. Your eyelids grow heavier with each passing moment. Your breath becomes softer, quieter, sinking into an easy rhythm. The night wraps around you like a comforting cloak. You close your eyes, letting your mind drift toward the quiet glow of dreams, ready for the forest to guide you into the next chapter of your journey. And with one last deep, peaceful breath, you surrender to rest. Chapter 5: The Descent into Deep Sleep. The moonlit lake fades gently behind you as you rise, moving onward through the quiet forest. The path is soft beneath your feet, covered in fallen petals that glow faintly under the silver light above. With each step, the air grows calmer, more hushed, as though the forest itself senses your nearness to the realm where dreams take form. The deeper you walk, the more the world changes. The sounds become softer, rounder, as if each leaf and branch has agreed to whisper rather than speak. Even the wind, once lively and playful, now drifts with slow, careful breaths. Ahead of you, a small hill gradually comes into view. It is covered in velvety grass that shimmers gently, catching the moonlight like strands of silk. The hill does not look steep. In fact, it seems to lean toward you, inviting you to approach. You begin to climb, but there is no effort, no strain, no weight pulling you down. Each step feels as if the earth itself is lifting you upward, carrying you with a softness that borders on floating. You rise without rising, move without effort, breathe without trying. As you reach the top, a round clearing appears, simple, serene, mystical in its quiet beauty. All around it stand tall trees with leaves that glimmer like tiny stars suspended on delicate branches. The clearing feels untouched, like a sacred place made only for those who wander with an open heart. Though you stand there alone, you do not feel lonely. Something about the space feels familiar, as if you have stepped into a memory you never knew you held. In the center of the clearing lies a bed made of moss, lush, thick, impossibly soft. It glows with a gentle warmth, as though a light is woven into its roots, humming softly just beneath the surface. The glow pulses faintly, in a rhythm that almost mirrors your heartbeat. You notice immediately how inviting it is, how perfect it looks, as though the forest shaped it with intention, crafting each detail with delicate care. This is your resting place. You feel it instantly. This is not an accident, not luck, not coincidence. The forest created this bed for you, specifically you. It has been waiting quietly, patiently, for you to arrive. There is no sound, no movement, yet you feel its invitation as clearly as a whispered welcome. You step toward the moss bed, drawn to its warmth. As you lower yourself onto it, your body sinks in effortlessly, as if the earth has molded itself to fit your shape. The moment your skin touches the surface, a wave of warmth spreads across your back and flows upward into your shoulders, your neck, your arms, your legs. Every muscle loosens. Every bit of tension melts away. You feel yourself unraveling, not falling apart, but being gently unknotted from the inside out. Above you, the canopy of shimmering leaves slowly shifts, creating a perfect opening in the shape of a circle. Through it, the night sky reveals itself, scattered with thousands of soft, glowing stars. They sparkle not with intensity, but with comfort. Their light feels warm, soothing, as though they are humming lullabies in ancient languages older than time. A tender breeze sweeps across your skin. It is cool enough to balance the warmth beneath you, creating a harmony that feels natural, effortless. Your breath begins to shift, growing slower, deeper, smoother. Your chest rises gently, falls softly. Your heartbeat steadies, becoming a calm, distant drum that echoes faintly through the clearing. You are completely safe. You are completely held. You are completely at peace. The forest begins its final lullaby. The trees sway in peaceful, rhythmic motions. Their leaves brush against one another, creating a soft, musical whisper that sounds like waves rolling onto a midnight shore. Somewhere in the distance, the stream hums gently, adding a thread of melody to the forest's quiet song. The moss beneath you warms slightly, encouraging your body to slip deeper into relaxation, guiding you without forcing, holding you without gripping. With each breath, you feel yourself drifting, not wandering or floating aimlessly, but sinking with purpose. Downward, deeper, softer, Your body grows heavier, in the best way, weighted with comfort, grounded by warmth. But your mind grows lighter, like a lantern lifted by a slow, steady breeze. Your thoughts begin to dim. They stretch, fade, melt into distant glimmers on the horizon of your awareness. One by one, they disappear. Your mind becomes quiet, spacious, open. Only softness remains. The forest's whisper softens even further, becoming barely audible, like a memory of a lullaby rather than a voice. You have done enough. You can rest now. Sleep is coming. The stars above shimmer more gently, their edges softening, blurring slightly. Your eyelids grow heavier, heavier still, until they feel like warm blankets settling over your eyes. You let them fall closed, and the darkness that arrives does not swallow you, it embraces you. It is warm, velvety, comforting, like sinking into a cloud woven from night and peace. You inhale once more, slow, full, effortless. You exhale longer, deeper, softer, richer. And with that exhale, something inside you releases completely. The forest fades. The lake fades. The stream fades. The path fades. The shimmering trees fade. The glowing moss fades. But the peace, the deep, calming, boundless peace, remains with you, wrapping itself around you like a cocoon of quiet serenity. You are drifting now, slowly, deeply, naturally. There is no resistance left in you. No tension. No unfinished thoughts tugging at your mind. You travel downward as though sinking into a gentle ocean, the kind that holds you rather than pulls you. The softness grows. The quiet deepens. The stillness expands. Your breath is steady. Your body is loose and warm. Your mind is light and open. You are not falling asleep, you are drifting into sleep. You are not closing the world out, the world is gently fading on its own. You are not trying to rest, rest is simply taking you. Tonight, you sleep deeply, effortlessly, completely. Your journey is over. Thank you for joining me tonight here at Dreamhaven Sleeping Story, where your mind found calm, your breath found rhythm, and your body found rest. As you drift deeper into sleep, know that you are safe, you are peaceful. And you are exactly where you need to be. Let the final traces of tension melt away, and allow your dreams to guide you to a place of warmth, serenity, and effortless quiet. If you are still awake, feel free to replay the story or explore more peaceful journeys here in our little haven. But if sleep has already wrapped around you, then rest well. Sleep deeply, and awaken renewed. Good night, and until we meet again in another dream.